So
Okay.
let's start. And first question. Firstly, introduce yourself, yeah. Introduce yourself.
Okay. In Hindi or in English?
Whatever you feel comfortable in.
So I am Adhayan Khurana. I'll do English, both English and Hindi.
Okay.
So my name is Adhayan Khurana. I am 14 years old. I study in Amity International School, Mohali. I mainly am मैं अपनी academics की बात करता हूँ. मैं academics में average ही हूँ, like above average थोड़ा सा 80 percentile में हूँ. And I mainly focus on my extracurriculars like piano, table tennis, singing, acting, theatre, and yes, this month.
Okay. That's a lot, yeah. So
Uh,
piano, table tennis, theater, and what did you say?
Piano, theatre, table tennis,
Yeah.
acting,
Acting.
and
Okay.
singing.
Damn, nice. So you're more of a performer. Okay, I
Yeah.
see. Okay, so
I'm just like you, bhai, jack of all trades.
yeah, most of the teenagers nowadays like us are jack of all trades. We try to do
Yeah.
everything. So tell me more
Hmm.
about your community. Yeah, tell me more about Eco Circle.
Got it. So Echo Circle is basically a community I built for myself only because people have the misconception that I mainly built it for students to connect, but in the first thought I built it for myself only because amidst all these extracurriculars I was doing, I myself was confused कि academics में मैं सारे extracurriculars छोड़ दूँ और सिर्फ academics में focus करूँ or I do all my extracurriculars as well according to, with my academics. क्योंकि I myself don't trust my academics. I am good in maths and science mainly, but मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ that I can choke up. मैं गंदे मार्क्स ला सकता हूँ बीच बीच में. एंड मेरा डर ही होता है इसलिए तो मैंने 9th में बनाई कम्युनिटी जिससे अगर मैं 10th में करूँ तो फिर अगर मेरे गंदे मार्क्स आ जाए मुझे बुरा ना लगे दैट आई एक्चुअली अचीव समथिंग.
Hmm.
इसलिए तो फिर मैंने अपने खुद के जो क्वेश्चन थे मेरे डाउट क्लियर करने के लिए उसके लिए बनाया था एको सर्कल मेनली.
Okay,
And now it's a community of 18 members. So yeah, I want to hit 20 by like this weekend.
I
So
see.
yeah.
I see. You
Yep.
will get it, bro. You will eventually.
Yep.
And I kind of built my community for the same purpose. I built it for
Uh,
myself. Like,
yep.
you know the idea behind my community, right?
Yeah, it's for entrepreneurs.
Yeah, it's for entrepreneurs, but the basic idea is that most of the young entrepreneurs, or
Mm,
I like to call them dreamers like us, they often build in isolation. So they
yep.
don't really have a support system in their
Mm,
surroundings, and people don't really get what they're doing. Okay, so
mm.
I took that problem. I faced that problem a lot. Like I have been doing this
Same here.
stuff. Yeah, I have been doing this stuff, entrepreneurship, business, freelancing, and all. I think since 2020. And
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
but I never got the support I needed, and that is why I built my community. And as the name suggests, not building
Not
alone.
building alone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one question I want to ask you is, like, tell
Yes.
me your story. How did you come up with this idea? I know you told me it is your
Yeah.
idea, but
I'll
like
tell you.
everyone has this turning point in their life when they,
I
yeah, like my turning point was I watched a video by Aman Rattarwal. Do you know Aman Rattarwal? Like
mm,
Aman Rattarwal is the founder of Apna College. It's an edtech startup in India.
oh, अच्छा yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I got it.
So he posted a video called How to Be a Millionaire in Your 20s. I watched that video in like 2020-ish, 2020, mid 2020. And
Yeah.
that, as far as I remember, that was my turning point. So
Hmm.
tell me about your turning point, Adrian.
Okay. So first of all, I'd like to give you a disclaimer.
Yes.
Amity, my school, is a very competitive school,
Yeah.
and everyone compares themselves with each other. So I believe that my environment caused me to create Eco Circle. because I used to compare myself with other people. I used to compare myself with my classmates, my seniors as well. And it became to a point that I myself didn't know what I wanted to do, and I just compared myself with others. So this comparison got me confused myself. I started participating in so many things. Like अभी जो मैंने बताया ये तो मेन है. इसके साथ मैं और 15 और चीजें भी कर लेता था
Yeah.
just to stay connected. So and at one point I remember मेरे 8th के जो final exams थे लास्ट के जो रिविजन टाइम्स होते मैं था ही नहीं उनमें. आई वॉज गोन फॉर इधर म्यूजिक प्रैक्टिस और थिएटर प्रैक्टिस और समथिंग. सो आई फेल्ट दैट आई डिडंट गिव माई सेल्फ टाइम टू स्टडी टू गो इन माई एकेडमिक्स. इसलिए मेरा थोड़ा सा गंदा रिजल्ट भी आया था उसमें.
Okay.
सो इसलिए mainly. And I wanted to myself know, this was my first question that I got, that I couldn't ask my peers. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं compare करता था उनसे. That is why I built Echo Circle. It is a platform in which you can communicate, being real and grow together only. That's why. कोई judge कोई नहीं करेगा, तो मैं बस thank दो अपने questions.
Okay. So, in one word, if I had to summarize, you built Echo Circle because you faced a lot of competition and
Yeah.
comparison. Okay.
Yes.
That is actually a very great motive at the end.
Yeah.
And I hope Echo Circle grows big, yeah. Like,
Yeah.
अपना
यही है
college level
हमारा.
big. Anyways, let's move to the next question. So
Yeah.
you are in ninth right now, okay? So you have 10th boards, then you have 11th and 12th. So that will be around 3 more years, right? So I want to ask you, where do you see yourself in, let's say, 5 years? What you will be
5 years.
doing? Which
Got it.
college you will be uh, attending,
मेरा
and which course and all?
ड्रीम कॉलेज तो वैसे बिट्स पिलानी है.
Okay.
सो आई वांट टू गो टू बिट्स पिलानी एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक PCM in 11th because computer science, data science करना है. And I started this mainly because I had questions, but right now this is my main motive as of now. And मैं थोड़ा uncertain ही बदल भी सकता है बाद में, because right now I'm in my 9th, 10th मैं सोचूंगा what I want to do again. So it can change right now. That's the thing. That's why I also built a community.
Okay.
I can ask questions. I can दूसरों के thoughts ले सकता हूँ मैं. What do they think about this? That's why. So in the next 5 years, I want to go to college with this. बहुत स्टैंडर्ड है. इतना कुछ अलग नहीं है कि मुझे कुछ बहुत बड़ा करना है. इट्स नॉर्मल ओनली कि कॉलेज जाऊँगा, टाइम कंप्लीट करूँगा, पहले जॉब लगे तो जॉब करूँगा, बट आई एम नॉट रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन अ जॉब. And then
Same
I'm
here.
gonna, if I can, I'm gonna still get Echo Circle to the point where it's like noticeable to people.
Yeah.
And I want to build Echo Circle along with my journey as well. I'm targeting. So basically, I'll tell you right now what problem I thought that people would face in the future is questions. Mainly, the main topic of Echo Circle. They would not post their questions. So in the future, what I am planning to do is when I get a considerable amount of people in this community, I'm gonna build an app for Echo Circle only because
Okay.
yeah, community में तो पूरी जिंदगी चला नहीं सकते हम.
Yeah.
तो हाँ, app. I'll build an app and I'll basically mention a feature of anonymous questions because I feel that चाहे जितना मर्जी anonymity जो भी अगर वर्ड होता है तो ले आओ, वो जो रियल क्वेश्चंस की स्पार्क होती है वो तभी आती है जब कोई किसी को जानता नहीं होता.
Mm.
So in the future, I really want to build this feature. This is like my main thing right now. So
Interesting, yeah. So, like, I hope I'll get to see EcoCircle app.
likewise for not building alone also.
Yeah, I'm actually also planning to build an app, but
Yeah.
not really for the community. It will be a
Oh.
different idea. I
Oh, nice. Good.
Yeah, I actually posted my idea inside my community. There is a section called
Idea dump
Idea
में
Dump.
अंदर.
Yeah,
हाँ.
Have you seen that?
I'll check it out. It's
Okay.
nice.
So one last question. Okay,
Got it.
what's your vision with this community eco circle? I know you told me you want to build an app, but apart from
Hmm.
that, what's your vision? Like, what change do you want to bring with your community?
So basically, what change I want to bring with EcoCircle is that लोग जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं that they can't ask their parents, the question they can't ask their classmates, their peers, because of any reason, they ask on EcoCircle. So you know how Reddit is, right? Questions that they can't ask generally. It's basically going to be a Reddit for students. That is what my main vision is for EcoCircle. It's
Okay.
going to be, yeah, that's it.
So if you had to give your 1 minute pitch for Echo Circle, if you had
नहीं
to,
भाई ये मैंने तैयारी नहीं करी थी वैसे
yeah,
ये
try
तैयारी नहीं
try
करी थी
करो यार,
वैसे
try करो. Just one
ओके
minute
भाई
pitch.
ओके श्योर इसे ये पोस्ट मत करना पर लिंक्डइन पे मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये मैं
Okay,
बहुत
okay,
दिन से
okay,
बोल रहा
sure,
था
sure.
ओके 1 minute pitch so echo circle is a student led platform where students can ask real questions that are meaningful. They can share their thoughts, showcase their ideas, and grow together all in all. It started as a WhatsApp community consisting of 4 groups: General, Echo Showcase, Echo Thoughts, and weekly polls.
Okay.
And meaning to self-explanatory है. Thoughts में thoughts, weekly polls में polls, general में general chat, and yeah. So this is it. बस इतना ही है भाई पे.
Okay.
Got
1 minute,
it.
right? 1 minute.
Yeah, sure.
Pitch. No. No. Okay. That was a great pitch, yeah.
Yeah.
I know you came unprepared for that, but
Yeah.
yeah, considering that you
मैंने
came
सच में कुछ तैयारी
unprepared,
नहीं करी थी इससे.
yeah, considering that it was a great pitch, like you could work
I
on your
was
pitch.
so preoccupied today यार. मैं सुबह सुबह अपने टेबल टेनिस क्लास पे गया. आके I had to freshen up and then एक्को सर्कल पे लग गया सारा. It's so addicting भाई दूसरों से चैट करना. मजा आता है. So yeah.
Yeah, I understand, yeah. Anyways, I actually forgot one of my question. What did I ask? Wait, let me
नहीं कोई
check.
नहीं, you can take your time. मैं तो हूँ अभी आराम से.
Yeah. I remember. If you had to give one advice to your younger self, like let's
Hmm.
say your eighth, seventh, or eighth grade self, what advice would
Hmm.
you give?
Advice to my previous self. First of all तो इतनी टेंशन नहीं लेनी है चीज़ों की. कंफ्यूजन कुछ नहीं होता. ओवर थिंकिंग तो बिल्कुल नहीं करनी है.
Yeah.
क्योंकि दिस इज द थिंग दैट गॉट मी इनटू दिस मैस इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. ओवर थिंकिंग. थिंक अबाउट ये तब क्या होगा ये क्या होगा. ओवर थिंकिंग तो रखनी ही नहीं है.
Mhm.
सिंपल सिंपल. मैं प्रीवियसली किसी को बोलने पे मैं ये सोचता था वो क्या सोचेंगे इस बारे में. तो इतना सोचना भी नहीं कि दूसरे लोग सोचेंगे क्या. यू नीड टू बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ ओनली. ओवर थिंकिंग तो खत्म ही करो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. कुछ नहीं होना
Yeah.
चाहिए.
Right. Yeah. बहुत सही advice है. I also condone overthinking. Like
हम्म.
overthinking is good to some extent, but
या.
not negative overthinking. I promote positive overthinking.
या.
Like if you're
जैसे अब
overthinking,
मेरे कम्युनिटी में था.
yeah,
मैं एको थॉट्स जो मेरे क्या बोलते हैं ग्रुप है उसमें मैं पहले क्वेश्चन पोस्ट करता था. कोई रिप्लाई नहीं देता था. कोई भी वो ना एक ऑप्शन है इन्फो में आप देख सकते हो किसने पढ़ा है मैसेज. सब लोग एवरीवन इन द कम्युनिटी के पे 10 लोग थे. सब लोग पढ़ लेते थे. नो वन रिप्लाइड इवन. जो फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन भेजा था तब एक दो रिप्लाई करते थे. तो तब थोड़ा सा जनरल डिमोटिवेशन आना. बट मुझे पता था कि बढ़िया आइडिया है. मुझे खुद इसकी ज़रूरत है. इसलिए बीच में ना मुझे लगता है कि जब नॉर्मल फाउंडर होते हैं या ओनर होते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म ये सोचते हैं कि हम ये जो जो हमारा है ग्रुप, वो दूसरों के लिए बना रहे हैं, दूसरों की मदद के लिए। मैंने ऐसा नहीं सोचा। आई माई सेल्फ हैड द प्रॉब्लम, आई माई सेल्फ वॉन्टेड टू आस्क क्वेश्चन, इसलिए दूसरे तो क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, मैं खुद भी क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे खुद भी होता है थोड़े अपने डाउट्स जो होते हैं मेरे। सो या इसलिए।
Okay, great stuff. Great
एनीथिंग एल्स?
insights. Yeah. You know what? You are very well articulated being a ninth grader, right?
मुझे तो ये मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, नाइन्थ ग्रेडर का टैग ही मुझे बड़ा नहीं लगता वैसे, क्योंकि मुझे मैं जैसे मैं अपने क्लासमेट्स को देखता हूँ, वो बहुत ऊपर है मेरे से। आई एम लाइक नथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम। वो समर इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हैं। वन एक हमारा क्लासमेट है, वो पता नहीं स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में इंटर्नशिप कर रहा है, कोई एमआईटी में इंटर्नशिप कर रहा है। वो तो बहुत ही
Damn.
हाई लेवल के बंदे हैं। तो इसलिए मैं अपने आप को बड़ा डाउन टू अर्थ भी रखता हूँ कि इतना बड़ा काम नहीं है। वी नीड टू ग्रो, वी नीड टू मेक अ डिफरेंस इन द कम्युनिटी, मेक अ डिफरेंस फॉर
Exactly.
पीपल ऑल्सो।
Yeah, down to earth तो होना चाहिए यार, but don't get into this habit of comparing yourself, please.
हाँ, ये बहुत गंदी हैबिट है।
Yeah, because
सो या
your life is your own race here. You're not racing against others.
या
So I think
ऑल्सो
that was it for the podcast. ठीक है, इतनी
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन
मेरा बस
पूछने
ऐसे
थे।
बात करनी थी जनरली, पॉडकास्ट में जनरली